S10 goes beyond the bezel to introduce cinematic infinity display for the first truly uninterrupted smartphone viewing experience. Made possible only by our unique laser cutting process, we've defied barriers of screen technology to float the camera discreetly within a sea of individually placed pixels, so you can enjoy our most color-accurate mobile screen without anything in your way. S10's dynamic AMOLED screen produces the only HDR10+ viewing experience on a smartphone. We revolutionized screen technology to deliver the first ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Simply tap the screen and S10 instantly launches, opening our all-new intuitive One UI. S10 redesigns the mobile camera that let you shoot like a pro without being a pro. 3 rear pro-grade cameras mean you can shoot with not just telephoto and wide lenses, but an epic ultra-wide. Its revolutionary front camera captures in UHD for new levels of video recording. And for the first time ever in mobile, S10 enables you to record professional-grade HDR10+ video. Next-generation performance is designed especially for how today's generation will live tomorrow. Always one step ahead. Our cutting-edge processor preloads your favorite apps. Even the heaviest of apps open in an instant. S10's battery lasts all day, thanks to groundbreaking intelligent battery management. We're also introducing revolutionary wireless power share, giving you for the first time the power to share power with phones and wearables, even when on the go, all without a charger. Next-generation intelligence adapts to you, learning your habits to automatically perform common tasks. Next-generation connectivity means S10 is built for tomorrow. Wi-Fi 6 makes it the first mobile to connect you quicker and more securely to the content you love. And because we've pioneered next-generation connectivity for a generation that can't wait, S10 is also the first to offer super-fast 5G. The Galaxy S10 is a phone like no other. Designed not to stand out, it's designed to stand apart. Galaxy S10. The next generation Galaxy has arrived.